Hi there, my dear Taurus friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Taurus. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. If you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's start. Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Taurus friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Taurus friends for the month of December? Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Taurus friends for the month of December? Okay. My dear Taurus friends, I can feel it in here that you are still dealing with your toxic past. You're still thinking about it. Please let it go and try to move on because it's pulling you down, that negative energy, okay? Don't hold the past. Let it go, okay? If you want to have a successful, abundant life, happy life with peaceful mind, then let go the past. Okay? Don't hold. Don't hold. Okay? So if you have unfinished business, then deal with it. If you still have the chance to deal with it. Or if no chance and if you feel like it will just make it things worse, then leave it behind. Okay, let's see the bottom of the card. Yes, um, yes. So for some of you, there is it's a king of hearts. It is a fatherly figure, water sign energy, who is with a good nature, affectionate, loving, caring man. This man will help you out without much talk, okay? His kindness and concerns to you reveals from his action, okay? He will give you a fair, helpful advice. I think maybe this is your father for some of you, or maybe an uncle or a grandfather, or a boss who is older than you. Maybe this person is seeing you struggling of something, maybe financially or in the job, because I can see it in here. The second card, it's seven of diamonds. This is you are dealing with an arguments concerning finances or in the job, but it will be resolved happily. But this man will help will give you a fair helpful advice to deal that with that matter. I can see it in here on the third card that there is a jealousy, some ill will from the people around you. So someone will cheat or lie on you, so be careful. Let's see. Let's see. Right. in the past, well, for some of you, you had a business relationship. If you're an entrepreneur, you had a business partner, and I think you had a relationship with this business partner, which is a forbidden love because you are both married, or one of you are is married. Yeah, so there was a gossips going on. That's in the past. Or for some of you, and for those who are salesmen, yes, they are you succeeded with your business. There's a business success in here because two of diamonds is a great card for sales. Or for some of you, you found your love at in your workplace. Okay, that's your past. This is your present, and this is your future. Okay, right. So for some of you, there is at present you are aware that um, a woman who is an air sign energy, this woman is a divorced or a widowed woman, is very envy of you. This woman is gossiping about you. Okay, she really didn't like you. Yeah, so you are aware of that, but you are just ignoring her. That is very good. Just ignore her and let her gossips you, because you cannot please everyone, my dear. Okay, if she's happy with that, then yeah. But if it's really below the belt, then you have to talk with that woman. Okay, in a nice way. Don't find. Just talk in a calm way. Okay. So in here, um, this is a happy marriage card, three of clubs, right? But there is a problem in here that there is a temptation that making this happy marriage, it drawing the happy marriage in here. So there was a temptation in here. Uh-huh. So I can see it in here. The future is an air sign. Man, this one is a man older than you, with an air sign energy. This is Aquarius, um, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra energy. That is the one connected to you, who's giving you problem. Meaning, if you are a woman and married to this air sign, um, man, this is the one who is giving you a problem. Maybe this guy is cheating on you behind you and flirting with other women. Or if you're a woman, then if you're a man, then this one is the one cheating on you. Okay, so this woman is making you gossips about you, um, giving you a bad reputation because of the envious jealousy. Okay, and yes, all right, okay, now I know, subconsciously, and this is for some of you, if you're a man, okay, who is married to a water sign woman, a woman who is with water sign energy, a Pisces, Cancerian, or Scorpio, you were aware that this woman is flirting with someone. So now, this woman is the one gossiping because this woman knew what this woman is doing behind your back. Okay, especially that this woman is jealous of your family. So now she's now revealing what she discovered about what this woman is doing. You were aware because as a husband instincts. Okay, so sad those people who's really weak and tempted to betray their loved ones. Anyway, let's go. I can just feel it. Um, so in here, this is a pleasant trouble who will as well bring you a news, but bad news, but it's just only a relatively minor. Okay, so you will hear from younger person an earth sign energy, a Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo, who will tell you what's going on. Okay, so in here, your hopes and fears, as well for those who are applying for a at work for a salary increase, a promotion, a leadership role, you will get it. There is a success in here, but expect that someone, an opposite sex, if you're a man and a woman is disagreeing of your promotion. Or if you're a woman, a man who is in the management is agreeing of your promotion. There will be a little bit of delay, okay, but you will be victorious. You will get it. You are destined to get it, my dear Taurus friends. Okay, see, your final outcome is business success, 10 of clubs. So business success and good luck with money. That job, that thing is really destined for you. Okay, so never mind those who disagree because you cannot please everyone, isn't it? So just do what you think is right to do. Okay, there is a trouble in here as well. So for those who are single, okay, or who just had a break in a relationship, you will meet someone who will again let your heart um, be enthusiastic. You will. There is again a the wow. That feelings that again I'm here again. So but for those who are committed and happily married, please avoid temptation, please. So there is an unexpected money coming in, all right. And this is also a great card for business. For those who are thinking or planning to start for a new business, then go ahead. Go ahead. This is the right time to do that. Okay. In here, there are some malicious gossips. The future. Okay. As I've said, please do not, for those who are presented with temptations, please do not engage with the temptation because I can see it in here. There is a malicious gossip. Or it came into my mind now for those who are dealing with financial business, and if there's a temptation to do something cheeky like cheating money, telling a lie just to get more money, or corruption like that, there is a malicious gossip that is going to hit you. So, of course, there will be an opposition. Expect there is a disappointment, okay, and an obstacle to more success. Instead of receiving more success, more prosperity, more abundance because of these malicious gossips, and then that making you feel guilty, and because you did something, cheating, lying, betraying, then it make you feel down. So as I've said, please avoid engaging negative, toxic things, situation, corruption, cheating, lying, betraying, temptations that will just make you, of course, you will be very happy at first, but it will not be kept secret. People will know. Yeah, truth will be revealed. Karma will hit you. So just live in a clean living. Let's say, yeah, clean living. Yeah, live honestly with good intentions. Yes. So let's see. Um, confirmation for this spread. See, third party, third party relationship. But please, pu- uh, uh, pin it down. Okay, don't engage, my dear. So it says it's a confirmation that you will be tempted to engage with a temptation. It's a third party. This is a third party relationship. And then, okay, if you're a man, this woman will be the one to gossip about your relationship with her. See? So this is a warning card, okay? Seven of diamonds. Oh, so with this, if you are disappointed with a financial legal issues concerning in the job, don't worry, you will receive a good news about it. You will be victorious. You will receive it successfully, my dear Scorpio. I mean Taurus friends, okay? And someone, a water sign energy, an older man who will approve your um, um, application or anything that you applied. Yes. So overall, as I've said, there is life changes for the better in here that is going to happen. Business success. Okay. Um, as I've said, don't hold the past. Let it go. There is a good karma that is going to arrive. Okay. There is a major transformation that is going to happen. And there is travel in here. There is powerful major shift that I can see it in the card in here. And my dear Taurus, for some of you, you are suffering of sore throat, hoarseness. So if that sore throat is you're now having that for more than a week or 2 weeks, it's not really good for your heart. Remember. So if that one, if you've done everything to treat that one, but still keep on going, then um, you must seek a medical advice for that because that is not really good for your heart. Sore throat. Yeah, especially if you have the tonsillitis. Okay, so pay attention to that. Avoid being involved in the gossip as well, please. Okay, avoid being involved in the gossip because it will just give you problems. And for those who are losing weight unexpectedly, but you're still eating a lot, then try to investigate what's going on. Okay, assess your body, assess your if you're really getting the right supplements, or you know. So with that, if you are losing weight, sudden lose weight, and it's unexpected, then seek a medical advice as well. And I can see in here that there is love on the air. Okay, my dear Taurus friends, let's go to the tarot cards. What are more messages that has in store for you? My spirit guides, what are the messages for our dear Taurians for the month of December? Mhm. See, the bottom of the deck is Ten of Cups. Marriage. Wow. For those who are single and those who is looking for a second marriage or third marriage, then this is a confirmation that you are going to get married. Okay, it's a yes card and associated with a Pisces energy and aligned to planet Mars, which is action and energy, and aligned to a root chakra. There is happiness in here, family, happy families, there is homecomings, there is family gatherings in here, and a long-term relationship, there's a stability in here. So if you are with your soulmate and you will meet your soulmate, then that's the one. And with a happy family relationship or a happy romantic relationship, it will really give you a positivity, optimism. So with that, you will be attracting more abundance, prosperity, happiness, stability in life. Let's see what are the two cards. Eight of Wands. Again, it's a yes card. I'm associated with Sagittarian energy and aligned to planet Mars, which is action and energy, and solar plexus chakra is an action card. So there is a progress in here that is going to happen very fast in your life. Movement. Wow. Your hard work pays off. Okay, there is a reversed Eight of Swords. So, so you have, okay, it says in here, release your past. Release your past. Don't hold it. Let it go, which is what I have told you before. Finding solutions, options, so that you will let go that one. Okay, there is a big relief in here and taking control now of yourself. Okay, let's see what is the angel message for you, my dear Taurus friends, for the month of December. The bottom of the card is Knight of Earth, loyal, dedicated, honorable, and kind. Time to buckle down and get things done. As I've said in your tarot cards, action is needed, isn't it? Honor your commitments. There is a guardian angel guiding you and protecting you. Okay, Five of Fire. Competing goals, bothersome details, conflict with others. That's why I have said do not be involved with gossips. So, conflict with others, meaning, as I've said before, there is an opposite sex that is really against of your what you want in your job. There is a jealous, yeah. So you are competing. Maybe I'm this woman. If you're a man, this woman is feel like you are competing with her. That's what it means. Okay, let's see what is the animal spirit guides message for you, to my dear and Taurus friends, for the month of um, December. Let's see. Okay, the bottom of the deck is, wow, the High Priestess. It's an owl. I like this card, because it's mystery. This is a time to pause and reflect, not to take action. Trust in your spiritual gifts as nothing is hidden from your divine intuition. So, meaning, it's like, trust your intuition, follow your instincts. Okay, so if your instinct says pause at the moment, do not do do not do anything else, pray, meditate, contemplate, then do that. And then maybe tomorrow it says, okay, it's time now to do an action, then that's it. That's what it means. Okay, the main card is the Lovers. This is a Gemini card energy. Flamingo, true and long-lasting love find its way into your life. Follow your heart with caring actions and choices. As I've said, there was a marriage card in before, isn't it? So you will get married for some of you. Yes. Oh my God. So for those who are seeking an advice or message from the career cards, job cards, let's see what is the message for your career, job, or business. Let's see. Oh, the bottom of the deck is opportunity. It says doors are opening up for you. You have the chance to change job, start a business, or invest in a new venture. Just do it. Real passion. Stop wasting time in dead, dead end jobs and find your true passion. It's fine to experiment, but don't settle for less than you truly deserve. That's right. Do your work with passion. Okay, for those who have one question in their mind that is seeking for a yes or no answer, then think about it now. Okay, so if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Uh-oh, it's a no. Let's see. Grinding your gears, working too hard on it. Let's see what is the main card for yes. So no and yes is maybe. Let's see. Ripe for the picking. Perfect timing. Get ready. Wow. So if you are longing or wanted to do something and you are a bit thinking if yes or no, then go for it. If you feel like you have faith, you have strength, and you feel like it's really time to do that, then go ahead because it's no and yes, it's maybe, but I can feel that it's yes, it's a yes for you. Okay, thank you so much. My dear Taurus friends, good luck on your life journey. Love and light. Namaste.